about to go down. All right, so we're going to test if the oil is hot. So the little flour that you got on your glove, drop it down and see if it sizzles. Let us know if it's hot enough. I think we can turn this up just a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. Put on this crust. Yeah, that's going down. I get a part of this breast. It was so big, we had several parts. We're gonna go and put the franks on that. Kind of like a baby chicken strip. Look at that, it's going down, boom, bam! Oh, yeah. You taste the crunchy crust. The juiciness of the chicken breast and the Cajun flavors just hidden. And then Frank's put that on everything. I'm putting it on here, baby. Get some more. Man, it's so good. I'm crunching.